Hey guys, it's Monica. I'm here today to be doing my tutorial on how to do DIY blonde, icy blonde, super blonde, mega blonde roots at home. Let's get to it. I am totally guilty. I go to the salon every 6 weeks to get my roots done, which is totally impractical. I am spending literally around $200 every week, every 6 weeks on my hair, which is a little bit ridiculous. Alright, so I'm filming this intro about 2 days after I did my hair. The only reason was I had absolutely no time to finish filming it after I did my hair. Super big rush to go pick up my babies. So everything actually turned out awesome. I love the results. It was only my second time doing it, and the first time I did it, I totally was like, So the second time went super good. I filmed the whole thing. Alright, so let's get started. So I just have this little disclaimer. I'm not a hairdresser. I went to a little bit of hairdressing school, but I learned like the bare minimum. I watched this from a YouTube video. The girl in the YouTube video was also like, I'm not a hairdresser. So yeah, so let's get started. Here is the close-up on my roots. I'm super happy with the result, and thank you guys so much for watching. Very good luck to you and doing your own roots at home. Bye!